I'm Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our vacuum jib systems. On this system, at the end of our jib arm, we've got our tube lifter and a very simple 2-cup vacuum tool. Controls work by pulling the trigger to go down, soft to go slow, hard to drop it fast. And then to achieve lift, just simply release the trigger and it'll go up automatically. When you're releasing your part, you're going to bring it down, holding the trigger, press the thumb lever to release. The floating height of your tool in the unloaded state can also be adjusted via this term knob. One of the nice safety features of these systems is that the seal to your cup is always going to be the last seal to break. So in the event of a power loss, your tube lifter will relax first, losing its seal before the cups ever break their seal. This system is also mounted to one of our mobile bases with the vacuum pump mounted directly to our pedestal, making the entire system compact and easy to relocate via forklifts. For more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.